How to bid like a pro in Google Ads without the headache. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is designed to talk all things about paid media, from paid media plans to Google ads to Facebook ads. This is more so for the beginner level. So if you're somebody aspiring to be a paid media associate or a paid media specialist, or if you're a local business and you own you're doing your own ads and you need help, this channel is designed to help you. Also, talking to the local business owners, if that is you and you are needing help with your Google ads, feel free to book a 30-minute free consultation or discovery call with me. I will ask you just a series of questions, vice versa, and see what your business is about and how I can help you out. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So if you're running Google ads, you know just how much the digital landscape has changed with more advertisers than ever. The rising click costs as well as the endless consumption for attention. Being a successful media buyer now means that staying both smart and effective or efficient is crucial. It's critical. But who has the time to manually adjust the keyword bids all day, every day? Okay? So thankfully, now we have Google Ads automated bidding, and it's here to help you bid like a pro. So you can focus on the big picture of growth instead of micromanaging every campaign detail. Okay? And what is the automated bidding in Google Ads? In Google Ads, it is a set of machine learning powered by strategy that takes the guesswork out of bid management. So instead of consistently adjusting your bids by hand, Google's algorithm analyzes hundreds of real-time signals like your device, the time of day, location, and much more. So that way you can set the optimal bid for each auction. So this is more so the technology that helps advertisers of all sizes get the most out of their ad spend and achieve their marketing objectives. So whether that's getting more leads or higher sales or a better brand visibility. Okay, so why should you be using the automated bidding? Well, let's face it, manual bidding time is very time consuming and it's error prone. Okay, so it's nearly impossible for any human to monitor every signal and adjustment bids for thousands of keywords 24/7. So that's why the automated bidding strategy like Target cost per acquisition, maximum conversion, maximum click, and the target return on ad spend are so powerful. So they free up your time, they eliminate the guesswork, and they drive better results through a sophisticated machine learning. But automated bidding isn't just about convenience, it's about performance. These strategies consistently learn from your account data and adjusting bids to help you meet your specific business goals while optimizing the Google ad budget. So let's go ahead and address some common concerns. Can a computer really do a better job than me? Well, I understand how you can be skeptical, Google's smart bidding uses years of algorithm development and data from millions of auctions. So the automated bidding adapts quickly to changes and can spot out pattern it can spot out patterns that humans would miss. Okay, so is automated bidding just for big companies? Well, the honestly, it's for any size companies. So it can actually automate bidding so that way it's less risky than manual guesswork. So it uses real-time data, consistent learning, and adjusts at the auction level far faster than any human could. Okay, and then I do want to say that I want to answer this question. I realize I didn't answer that question, but is automatic bidding just for big companies? And no, it's really for all companies, broad, global, local. It can really help any size budget. Okay. So how does Google Smart Bidding even work? Well, Smart Bidding is Google's advanced suite of automated bidding strategies, which is designed specifically for conversion focused goals. With Smart Bidding, Google's system sets bids in every auction, and this auction is it's auction time bidding, which is considered upon a wide range of signals. So that could be based off of the device type, mobile, desktop, tablet. It's also based off of the physical location and search intent. It's also based off of the time of day and the day of the week, the search query context, as well as browsing and operating systems. And it's also based off of the user demographics and audience segments. So, what are some popular smart bidding strategies? Well, the first one is the maximum conversion, which gets as many conversions as possible for your budget. Next, we have the target cost per acquisition, CPA, which automatically sets up bids to help you get as many conversions as possible at your target cost per action. The next popular strategy is the target return on ad spend, which focuses on bids that have higher value conversions to maximize your revenue. And then last but not least, we have the maximize the conversion value, which prioritize conversions with higher values. Okay, when should you use the automated bidding? Well, pretty simple. When you should use it is when you have a reliable conversion tracking set up within Google, which is really important. You want to use it to save you time and eliminate guesswork. Also to help you manage a large or complex campaigns effectively. And by using this, it will give Google's algorithm a learning period to really learn what your campaign is about, what your business is about. And as a result, it can help you. The automated bidding can help you optimize your performance and to get a clearer goal like leads, purchases, and store visits. So, what are some of the benefits? Why smart bidding should be your go-to? Well, number one, you can unlock faster growth, meaning that you're able to leverage Google Ads smart bidding, where you can scale your campaigns and reach new growth as well as high value customers without needing to be an expert in bid management. Number two, it can help you improve your optimization score. So this smart bidding can help you achieve a higher optimization score in your Google Ads account So this is not only reflects better campaign health, but is proven to correlate with the improved performance. Accounts with scores over 75% to see a 3 times higher conversion rate. And last but not least, you can work smarter, not harder. So the automated bidding takes the guesswork out of the paid search marketing. So this, as a result, will help you spend less time on the repetitive task and more time on creatives, doing high impact work and refining your ad copy, developing landing pages, and or analyzing broader digital marketing strategies. All right, so let's go over pro tips when using tools for even smarter bidding. Okay, so there's tools out there that you can use when you're doing this. Obviously, the main one is Google Ads. So having Google Ads can help you analyze. You're able to see your conversions as well as help you understand how you can lower your cost per acquisition and see improvements on your return on investment. Some of the best practices for the automated bidding in Google Ads is it helps you, some of the best practices is to set up accurate conversion tracking before switching to automated bidding. All right. As well as give your campaign time to actually learn what what your company is about. And I think I actually already said these, so I'm going to just go to the next slide. Okay, so some of my final thoughts when it comes to bringing automation into your campaigns. Obviously, today is pretty competitive. We have fast-paced digital ad environment as well as using Google Ads automated bidding isn't just a shortcut, it's a smart strategy for long-term growth and sustainable performance. So with the right setup and a little patience, you can let Google's algorithm work in your favor while you focus on building your business, okay? So hopefully that helps. If you need help with optimizing as well as pacing your campaigns, be sure to check out my free pacing template down below. You can find it in the free paid media hub. It's pretty much a master Google Excel sheet that has different templates from paid media templates to Google ad responsive templates, all type of stuff. Also, if you are needing help with setting up your Google Ads account, feel free to schedule a free discovery call with me today where we can go over, I'll ask you a series of questions just to get a better understanding of what your business is about and how I can even help you in the first place. And if it's a good fit, cool. If it's not, no hard feelings. But I'm always available, well, for the most part, to help out. Just depends on my workload. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, don't say anything rude. Be nice. Have legit questions. And with that being said, peace.